Say it again.
Mary, this is for you. This is my spot. Wah.
Now have fun.
I don't know how. I don't know how to get down. Okay. No, don't push me. Don't push me.
Just
wait.
Support her, or she'll get down.
Huh? No, don't push me. Don't push me. Oh, this is okay.
You gotta do it all at the same time.
Can't do all that at once.
Oh, wow. Nice wing.
How many times do I have to do this?
I don't know.
You got a pretty good snow angel there.
Oh, good. Help me up. Thank you, Brad. I can't get up.
Oh,
No, I have to mess it up now. Wait. Oh, I got wings.
Yep.
And a head.
Yep.
Oh, can you come over here?
What?
Can you come over here to help me up? Okay, I hope I passed.